What HACCP records must you keep for food safety? Imagine trying to prove your food safety practices to a regulator or a customer without any records. It would be like trying to solve a puzzle with missing pieces. That's why keeping detailed records is a key part of the hazard analysis and critical control point system. HACCP requires you to document everything from hazard analysis to corrective actions. First, you need hazard analysis records. These are documents that list all biological, chemical, and physical hazards that could affect your food. You also need to show how you decided which hazards are likely to happen and need control. This helps you focus on the real risks. Next, your HACCP plan must be written down. It includes all critical control points, which are steps where hazards can be controlled. The plan lists the critical limits you set for each point, how you monitor them, and what actions to take if limits are not met. It also covers how you verify that your system is working. Monitoring records are essential. These are logs that show when and how you checked each critical control point. They include the date, time, product details, and the results of your observations or measurements. Each record should be signed or initialed by the person doing the check and reviewed by a supervisor. This creates a clear trail of your food safety efforts. If something goes wrong and a critical limit is exceeded, you need to document it. Corrective action records show what was done to fix the problem. They include details about the affected product, what caused the deviation, the corrective steps taken, and who approved the action. These records are vital for tracing issues and preventing future problems. Verification and validation records show that your HACCP system is effective. This includes calibration records for equipment, inspection reports, testing results, and reviews of monitoring and corrective actions. These documents should have dates, methods used, responsible persons, and the outcomes. They prove your system is working as intended. Supplier and ingredient records are also important. These include certificates of analysis or supplier audits that confirm ingredients meet safety standards. Storage records for ingredients are needed if storage conditions are critical control points. These documents help ensure your raw materials are safe from the start. Employee training records show that your staff know how to follow HACCP principles. These include training dates, topics covered, and the names of employees trained. Proper training helps everyone understand their role in food safety. Finally, supporting records cover processing, storage, distribution, packaging, labeling, and shelf life. If you have a recall plan, keep records of it as well. When managing HACCP records, make sure they are complete, accurate, and easy to read. Keep them for at least the shelf life of the product plus 1 year. Store them in a way that they are accessible for inspections or reviews. Good record keeping shows your commitment to food safety, helps trace problems, and keeps you compliant with food safety regulations. In short, you must keep records of hazard analysis, your HACCP plan, monitoring activities, corrective actions, verification efforts, supplier information, employee training, and other supporting documents. These records form the backbone of your food safety system and help prevent foodborne illnesses while protecting public health.